Hi, this is Niamh and we're here today in Cork with Voytek from Perfect Home Windows and Doors in their perfect home, no pun intended. And they have been installing Palladio doors for quite a while now. So tell me, how does it feel to be associated with the best door company in Ireland and the UK?
We have been trading with Palladio doors since 2019, and the reason why I decided to sell Palladio doors is obviously the product. It is the best composite door on the Irish market. Back in 2019, I went to Palladio Door Factory and I was very impressed with the manufacturing process, how clean the factory was, and with the door.
Okay, makes sense. And what do you think make Palladio doors so different to the rest of the doors in the market?
For me, the most important is the foil finish on both door slab and the door frame, where other manufacturers, all the other manufacturers have the door frame foil finish on it, and the door slab is sprayed, which means that there is a little bit of a difference in the color between the door frame and the slab, but also with time the sprayed finish will discolor a little bit. So for me, I'm 100% sure that the 12 years guarantee that Palladio manufacturer will give me for the discoloration, that they will stand over it. So this is a very, very important point. The other one is the online designer that help us tremendously to build our brand and our business.
That sounds great. And what would you say would be the top 3 questions a homeowner might ask you before purchasing a door?
The first question, the most important question, obviously, is the price.
Yes.
With every inquiry, people would ask, how much is this design? How much is that design? A single door or door with one side panel. Once we have the price agreed, the next question is the lead time. We are in the middle of the summer. However, the lead time is around 8 weeks. So we are scheduling fitting doors now for September, and the lead time is important, so people don't wait 6 months for their doors. And the third question is, how should I buy it? How can I process with the sale? Obviously, once we agree the lead time and the price, the next natural question is, how can we process with the sale?
And how has selling Palladio doors helped your business?
Yes, we are based in Cork, but we do have employees, fitters in Cork, Kerry, in Limerick, Galway, Mayo, Tipperary, and Waterford. So with the online designer, without the online designer, I would need to have 6 showrooms and 6 people, 6 staff in the showroom selling the Palladio doors. So with the online designers, if we have inquiry about Palladio door, we just send a link to clients and they can fill out the designer. That design lands in my mailbox and I price it within 24 and 48 hours. And with that, we could grow. We could go from maybe 20, 25 doors we sold in 2019 to over 250 doors that we sold in 2023. And obviously, that's just the beginning, because if a client has a inquiry about Palladio door, next year they might have inquiry about the windows or window repairs that we also do. So all that help us to build our brand and our business thanks to the Palladio door brand and Palladio online designer.
Well, you've convinced me to buy a Palladio door now, myself, and I'm in Cork too, so that makes a lot of sense. So one last question. What can we expect from you from the new year and beyond?
With the new colors that were just launched, with the new colors and also the new door furniture, I went to the factory recently. I did see they have a lovely new black furniture coming. What can you expect? Obviously, more advertising on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and hopefully more sales and more happy clients.
Great! Sounds like a plan. Thank you so much for telling me all about Palladio doors today, and all the best with your business.
Thank you very much.